All right, I got another one for you. We're gonna do feathering at this point. Okay, feathering is really similar to combing. If you've tried that one, you're gonna use a squeeze bottle to apply alternating underglazes to your wet surface of clay. This is a little bit on the damp side, but still pretty leather hard. The stripes should touch each other. Place to work on aware boards. Tap it to level it if you're working flat. If you're working more vertically, like some form like this, you can just kind of tap it down to kind of level it off a little bit. And then you're just dragging a tool or your finger through the slip to kind of feather it together, okay? So similarly to combing, you can use alternating stripes with the slip. So I'm just gonna do this up here with this underglaze yellow and blue, just because it's gonna be a really nice alternating. And I'm just gonna do it right on just the lip, the kind of the neck of this little form. So I'm gonna do it right next to each other. And you want it to be similar where it's kind of globby, a little bit thick. Makes it kind of interesting texture as well. You might want to kind of play around with these bottles before you start squeezing them. Some definitely come out faster than the others. And also be aware when you're turning the pot that it might start to blend a little bit together. You can see, like that. Okay, so here's some alternating yellows and blues. I'm going to kind of tap it down a little bit, let that slip run, that underglaze run down. This one a little bit more here. Okay, and you can see it kind of on this. Okay, tap it down a little bit. Okay, now you have it kind of goopy on the bottom. You can leave that or take it or leave it. So that's what I got so far, strips. Okay, feathering would just be to literally drag a tool through the end, and you can wipe it off in between. You can see, pulling the slip or the underglaze together. Okay, you could do that with your finger. You could do it with a tool. I just used the back end of a paintbrush to do it like that. So that is feathering. You get a nice little combination of different colors.